whisper and bloom. Glimmering echoes drift through the air, moments unfolding with delicate care. Crisp notes of clarity guide us where, floating through time in an ocean so